Hey there everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to go ahead and take you through the different nuts on the injection stem assembly for the D143000 and give you a rundown of their purpose. So what we're going to do is start at the top. This here is the injection stem assembly nut. The purpose of this nut is to hold the entire injection stem assembly onto the body of the unit. Next, we'll get down to our adjustment sleeve. This is used to change the ratio or percentage on your unit. Right below that is the locking nut. This is the nut with the little unlock or lock emblem on side, and it's used to unlock or lock the adjustment of our adjusting sleeve. Right below that is our check valve nut. The check valve nut is used to hold the barb and check valve assembly onto the stem of the unit. Lastly, we have our hose nut. Our hose nut attaches to the check valve barb and is utilized to hold the hose assembly onto the unit itself. Now, if at any point during maintenancing of the unit you accidentally remove one or more of the incorrect nuts, please ensure that they are put back on in the correct order, or the unit may not function correctly. If you do have any questions about the order or how to reinstall any components of the unit, please give us a call today, and as always, thanks for watching.